Very good morning, students. I'm Murthy, your history teacher, going to teach you theme 1 from the beginning of time. In this chapter, we were reading about the evaluation of human being, and today is my topic lying on page number 16. You are suggested to keep book with you for better understanding of the concept. Today, I am going to teach you modern human beings, page number 16. So let me explain my topic. Beta, here you are seeing the earliest fossils of modern humans. These are the places where we have fossils of modern humans, where we have discovered fossils in remains of modern humans. And this is the time period. Where first Ethiopia. Ethiopia. In Ethiopia, we have found remains of early human or modern human, that is Homo, approximately 1,95,000 to 1,60,000 between this era. Then a second place is South Africa, where we have found the fossils of modern humans, and its time period is from 1,20,000 to 50,000 between. Then we have Morocco, around 17,000 to 50,000. Then Israel, 1 lakh to 80,000 between 1 lakh to 80,000. Then Australia, between 45,000 to 35,000. Then we have Bruno, Negev, approximately 40,000 years ago. And last one site where we have found the fossils of modern human, that is France. Approximately time period is 35,000 years ago. These are the places from where we have got the remains of modern human beings. So let me explain the further discoveries and evidences which we have got from here. If you look at this chart, you will notice that some of the earliest evidences for Homo sapiens has been found in different parts of Africa. Whose fossils we have got? Homo sapiens. From where? Different parts of Africa. So this raises the question of center of human origin. What comes in our mind? It comes in our mind that Africa is the center of human origin. Modern human originated, evaluated in Africa. Then a next question comes in our minds, that is, was there a single center or were there several? Only in one place we have found the remains of modern human being, or from different parts of Africa we have got the remains or fossils of early human or modern human. So, the issue of the place of origin of modern human has been much debated. It is the issue which is much debated, discussed a lot. Two total divergent views have been expounded. Then, what is the result? We have two theories of origin of a modern human being. One advocating the regional continuity model. One theory is that is known as regional continuity model with multiple regions of origin, and the other the replacement model, with a single origin in Africa. According to replacement model, modern human, early human originated in a single place, it has a single origin, that is in Africa. So let us discuss further. According to the regional continuity, model. I am going to explain a regional continuity model. Regional means how different places. The Archean Homo sapien in different regions gradually evolved at different rates into modern human. But you understand what I'm telling you? According to regional models, early human, or you can say Homo sapien, he originated in different regions. Here, 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 and evolved at different rates into modern human. And hence the variation, the first appearance of modern human in different parts of the world. So, due to the variation in a region, it has also variation in appearance also. Means we are talking about the appearance of modern human. We are different from one another. It is due to the variation in the region. The argument is based on the regional differences in the features of present day human. Means why we have variation? Due to the regional differences. According to those who advocate this view, these dissimilarities are due to differences between the pre-existing Homo erectus and Homo heidelberg genes population that occupied the same regions. Means Homo erectus and Homo heidelberg genes population was different. No doubt they are living in same region, but they are different from one another. That's why we have same dissimilarities in a modern human being. This is the model of regional continuity model. Then we have next model that is known as the replacement and the regional continuity models. The replacement model visualize the complete replacement. Now you will ask what's the meaning of replacement? Replacement transformation, तब्दीली, change. Replacement का अर्थ है पूरी तरह तब्दीली. Everywhere of all older forms of human with a modern human. In support of this view is the evidence of genetic and entomological homogeneity of modern humans. Now, replacement means तब्दीली मैंने आपको बता दिया कि पूरी तरह चेंज हुआ है जो मॉडर्न ह्यूमन है. कंप्लीट रिप्लेसमेंट हुई है एवरीवेयर. Mean he originated in Africa, then moved to Asia and Europe, and it is totally changed. And we have evidence, we have proof. What proof we have? One is we have genetic, and second is anatomical. Anatomical means physical appearance, physical structure. Genetic means जो हमारे विरासत में हमें जीन्स मिले हैं, formation of blood hormone. Those who suggest this argue that the enormous similarities amongst modern humans is due to their descent from a population that originated in a single region. Means they originated in a single region, and after that they migrated from single region to another region. Scholars who had hold this view suggest that the physical difference observed today among modern humans are the result of adaptation over a span of thousands of years by population who migrated to the particular region where they finally settled down. Let me explain this topic with the help of a picture. Yes, bete, this is the model. I will explain. This is the replacement model, and this is the regional continuity model. According to a regional continuity model, early human born in Africa, and then moved to Europe as well as Asia. At the same time, he was born in Africa, Europe, and Asia. And due to the climatic change, dietary change, there is a difference between both. This is known as regional continuity model. And according to replacement model, earlier he was born in Africa, then he moved to Europe and or Asia. And this is known as replacement model. जो अफ्रीका में पैदा हुआ था अर्ली ह्यूमन वो पूरी तरह खत्म हो गया, उसकी जगह फिर मॉडर्न ह्यूमन पैदा हुआ। एंड जो हमारे अंदर चेंजेस हैं, डिफरेंसेस हैं, डिसिमिलरिटीज हैं, ये किसकी वजह से है? ड्यू टू जेनेटिक एज वेल एज एनाटॉमिक एनाटॉमिकल, जो हमारी होमोजेनिटीज हैं, एनाटॉमिकल बनतर की वजह से वी आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम वन अनदर।